Yo, YouTube. Today we're gonna jump on my TradingView. You feel me? To check. Cause before pocket option or all these other shit I had to use for forex or anything else. I've been using TradingView for my charts. You feel me? And I still use it. Let's get on to TradingView. Okay, that shit went down. Okay, pushing back up. I fucked up by using big money. You feel me? I was supposed to drop down low, but fuck it. We gonna finish off this here. You don't want me risking high because you're not 100% sure you might win, so you don't want to be doing nothing unless you're a pro or some shit. Yeah, that is pushing that wing in 70s, 80s, yeah, boom, boom, caught all that, and that's your strategy right there. You try and catch the blue dot before the blue dot come. You feel me? That's what basically what you try and do. Catch the blue dot before it catch the dot before it come. Look one right there. They don't have no zillion. JPY. That shit zoomed down, man. Crazy how we win that. Green. Price action on we just going off of it. Oh shit, Euro card. Damn. Let's go catch it. Ah man, that's a nice one. I wanted to catch it before it hit. Fuck it. I miss it. Euro USD, Mike. USD. So right now we have the Euro USD. Euro card. Beautiful. This one walking up perfect. It's a Euro USD. Wow. I missed both of them. How the fuck I lose this? Good money though. This are looking good. This are flock up. If I use my chart, this are looking good. This are flock up, boom, sell. So it's a nice one to be pushing down, you feel me? When that people push down again, man. I can dumb. I don't know why they don't give us 5 seconds. I would have been win. But you gotta learn how to do them all. I hate waiting this long. We gonna need the brown. We on a buy though, but this is when it start. This is when it gonna start consolidation. Now you want to figure out if you want to continue going up or you want to break down to the downside. You might win it. Told you. And yep, this my TradingView. This is a good one. JVP card. You see, I already know. And shit moving to this Sunday, you feel me? So miss this one, we could try to catch it. Catch that little momentum. Catch that little momentum. Everything gonna be lined up correctly too, man. Wow. Once you hit one of these, once it hit and make a dot, everything just be connected, correlation perfectly. So I know I gonna win. He ain't gonna give me no troubles. I might win. I might lose one or two trades, but I'm not. That's a bet. It's a nice strategy, boy. I love this. Damn. So basically, when it cross and it cross that other candle, we could go down. Let me go back on my shit. Win that. Beautiful. This will be a good one to go up, crossing this high, but we ain't into no price action and all that. We ain't into that. We trying to just use the indicator, JVP, it's the same shit. Probably could use that little momentum. Same shit. Might be too late, but fuck it. If everything can correspond the right way, you might be thinking, why the fuck I'm gonna keep. When I was younger, I had I tell people I broke my nose, but I don't know. I didn't go to the hospital, but I was on a trampoline and I pushed forward. I did a front flip, trampoline, and instead of me like jumping straight up and do the flip, I pushed forward. So when I pushed forward and did the flip, when I flipped, I landed on the metal piece that holds the trampoline. Fuck my shit up. My shit was leaking. So here and there, my nose be itching me. This was years ago though. But still, my nose still be like bothering me and shit. That's why I be like, my nose be snotty. I don't know, ever since that shit happened, my nose been just acting weird. And that was like years ago. I was in high school. I know I was probably in middle school or some shit. Better go down because I'm doubling up again, nigga. I was gonna double up regardless. That's why I don't like the 1 minute. If it was 30, I mean 5 seconds, been out. I would have been win. You see how much times it dropped down, dropped below. This is the market right there. Don't look at the candle, you gotta look at the line. It went down a couple times. That's why you have wicks. So don't pay no attention to the body. The body just line, you know, the color of it and why it's doing the cross and candles. So it line, you know, and it red. So it line, you know, it's going down. But other than that, the line is where the market is at. US card looking nice. If it cross that line, it gonna go up. Okay. I could get up a little momentum from that. See, a little momentum. You see the body right there, but the market is up here. You feel me? So don't pay attention about where the market, the body is, because this ain't where the market at. Market is up here. Ain't like this. You see, following the body. When you doing Heikennachi candles, they don't follow the body. It'll pass the body sometimes, go above the body sometimes. The body does not, you know, white is for that moment, and this moment is green. This a nice one, you feel me? So I did it before we hit this and everything correlates perfectly. But we hit this, and then when you check over here, we coming out of oversold. Perfect. Press up. Beautiful. Beautiful. All they doing right now is trying to pump fake and get you scared and all that dumb shit. Oh shit. Just picture it. If I was using $1 lower, it would have been 1. I lost 1. Then it would have been 2. Then this one right there would have been 6. And the next one would have been 18. So if I had $1,000, this 5,000 is the equivalent of the $18. So my calculator, and then you'd have get back your money, and you'd have had profit and recoup your money. You feel me? This would have been an 18, and I win down one day. So if I had $1,000 and I did it in one, I just keep flipping the $1, 1, 2, 6, 18. I ain't even had to do the 18. I went through it 3 times. I just imagine if you had $2,000, you always be winning. I'm trying to give you the blueprint. Don't think that. Don't think, yeah, I ain't making money. Don't think he ain't gonna come true. I'm like Serena Williams and Serena Williams and Venus Williams' father. You feel me? Them I don't know if he was in the pros or what, but he taught his kids them how to become pros. So that's like me. I'm the teacher, you feel me? Don't worry about if I'm making money, I'm using demo account or wherever the fuck you seeing right there. Just listen to I and everything will be smooth. It's just happening now because my vision is clear. Back in the day it wasn't clear, it was clouded with a bunch of illegal dumb shit. You feel me? I could have been but my vision was clouded. So I had it on the side. You feel me? Since 2012 I had trading on the side. I could have been get it. I'm saying that because I be presenting trading pocket options to a lot of my friends and they be like, you making money? I be like, nah, I ain't making money, but I know to trade though. I could teach you. Nah, all this dumb shit. So I have to make money in order to prove people and make people want to jump. You feel me? It's like, that's crazy. Niggas don't even want to. And I'm just saying, bro, like when I get big man rich after this, them niggas gonna feel some type of way because I been told them about this shit. But they saying from since I met it, bump into trading to no, they be saying, you made money? I don't want to learn it. You ain't make money yet. Alright. This is the time now. 2025. I'm 32. This is the time now. Alright. Bet. And the niggas, like, and everybody gonna have to take the course. Ain't no more me sitting down and showing you how to. Nah, you gotta sit down and watch the course. I gonna make a course for everybody. They gonna have to watch the course because me right now, I would waste my time and sit down and teach you how to trade because I'm poor. But when I get rich, ain't none of that. I gonna have my course selling products, all type of shit. You gonna have to buy the course. They gonna have to buy the course. My friends, probably family. I say probably, yeah, me say probably. But my friends definitely they gotta buy the course because they gonna feel some type of way when I pulling up in my Lambo. My Lambo yours. My Lambo yours. They gonna be upset. And I'll be like, yo, this is, I got it from the shit I been told you about. I got it from that. You want to learn? Link me on the internet. I have some courses. I'll give them a discount, $5. Look at the course, and then if you need help, you could go from there. But first, you need to buy me some. You gotta buy the knowledge first. Right now, I'm giving out knowledge for free to the people are wrong, but they want me to make money, so I bet. And they think I'm still a failure because I've been showing that shit since 2012, and I ain't make money yet. So they said they thinking, yeah, Cillyo, he just be talking. That nigga just be talking, man. And they seen trading all over now. And I know they's like, damn, Cillyo's who showed me this trading shit, but that nigga ain't doing this shit. That nigga out there doing other shit. He just be talking. Yeah, right? I'm on it now though. They're gonna be shocked because, like I say, I showed a lot of people from 2012 to now. They're gonna be shocked. Niggas gonna be shocked, bro. This is the same, bro. This is the same type of winner. This pattern right there, you got hours recognize patterns. This pattern is the same pattern. Bet you hit the bet you on 1 minute it went through. This pattern is the same pattern, bro. It's gonna go up. I'm gonna win. It's the same pattern. Look, came from oversold, cross. This is my strategy. But I'm just saying, like, I looked up on it. I said, damn, that's the same pattern. Now I'm starting to identify how it should look just from me. That's how you to learn, just from you doing trading from here. Okay. Now you see something. This was the same type of pattern every time I trade, and I guarantee to hit the dots to form the circle on the bottom or on the top. That's the same. I win. See? Man, these niggas, man. Yo, you better follow me. These niggas stupid. Niggas, yo, these niggas know how to make money. But when I present trading, them niggas don't. That's crazy. Let me tell them I have a pound of weed. Them niggas jumping on to the shit fast. Let me tell them, yo, I have some scamming for you. Them niggas jumping on quick. I've trading. You make money yet? I don't trust it. Nah, all this dumb shit. They gonna feel some type of way, like I say, when I pull up in my Lamborghini Urus. I don't even know how to say it, but that's what I want. The truck, the Lamborghini truck. Yo! And I might pull on one of my charts, my strategies on the car. You feel me? That niggas know that's what I get rich off of. I gonna put like a sticker. That nigga gonna be on the car. That niggas know. You saying for play. So alright, man, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I want to show you guys my TradingView charts, because I really like made that strategy, perfect that strategy last night. So I just wanted, not perfect it, but like create it and all that, like really last night, you feel me? So I wanted to trade, and last night you couldn't trade, so I couldn't wait to test it out, you feel me? And moving smooth, and that was for forex. It wasn't even for binary options. I don't like the fuck I gotta be doing 1 minute. That shit corny. So So I guess I added on a new strategy on my shit, the TradingView WaveEffect. That's what you're gonna call it, TradingView WaveEffect. Ripple WaveEffect right over here. Ripple, wave, and thunder, they all need three charts. This is the 3 right there. This is, so the middle is what this strategy is. So this right here is Ripple. Then I could change it to wave, my first wave. Then I could change it to thunder. But I always need this and this by the side, so it's 3 in 1 for one strategy. Thunder, Ripple, and wave is 3 in 1. But then when you're doing dimension, or dimension 2.0, you could drop down to 2 charts. You only need 1 chart for that. You feel me? That's why I had it down, because I was doing dimension and shit. My last video was a dimension. I don't really need all 3 charts. And also I don't really need all 3 charts for my strategy. It just equip better. I could, you know what I mean? Because I'm a trader, so I don't really need them. But I need them because it fits well for me. But I don't really need them because I'm a trader. You understand? Or to put some money in a demo account. I mean, I said demo, a Forex account. Start trading some Forex. Because for real, I could be using this strategy right there, all my TradingView, I still be trading Forex. You feel me? Build up our account. Let me see how much it says. That would have went down right there. So this right there is only 4. Cross up all that in. How far? I just want to see how far, how much profit I will be making. How much? From 230. So from 430 to 450, that's like a couple dollars. So it break down here. I would have went in there, Bob. 422 to me. And this is the 1 minute too. Yeah, ask what this is. Fanta. Tobacco. Grabber. We don't say grabber or tobacco, or we don't say Fanta. But in Jamaica they'll call it grabber. New York they'll call it Fanto. Where I'm from, the Virgin Islands, we don't say Fanta. I could have went in. Hold it. 100 points. So I could use these charts for Forex for real. buying right there. 0.51, it already to 83. 0.51, so right there I would take my profit. But I just want to see if I just want to check it out, because I could be using this as my forex, and they going 150, only 100 points. I would have been out. Points is a flip. That's all I want, is a flip. So today's lesson was about my strategy, my trading view. It's a nice one. I could go down with that momentum. Everything point. Told you, everything nice correlation. I could really wait for them type of plays for real, so I'll just keep going in. Everything looking smooth, man. Everything looking smooth. I don't really gotta be waiting, figuring out. I could just wait, check overhead. But this is only for the regular currency pairs, it ain't really for the OTCs, which means this is limited, because the market does start walking Friday all the way to Sunday. Still, we're gonna double up. And again, this I would have been on my $2. I would treat this like a job. I'm gonna be trying, if I start with $1, I'm gonna be trying to make at least I gotta get my account to 10 racks quick from $1,000. 500, I get to 1,000 quick. Speed up the momentum so I wouldn't have to be trading as much, you feel me? Just to make my goal, which is like I gotta make at least the same amount, $200 or better, as when I was doing lift. This would have been the 6. This one right there is the 18. So the one I'm on right now is $6. Then 18, then 54. So this right there is the 18. I would have been winning if I doing 5 seconds, bro. That's why I hate doing it, because I could have been winning. I seen it go below the price plenty of times. I could have win. Look how long it below the price for 5 seconds. I would have win in 5 seconds. Quick. We win the $6. This would have been 18. Shoot down again. This is $1. That's how you just study and practice, because you can't just be going off of this big man money. You gotta think about how much money you're gonna be putting in, and how much times you're gonna be losing, how much times when it's gonna hit. You gotta come up with a strategy that is gonna hit. You gotta think about the mathematics of your balance, how much it's gonna be, cause you can't be going off of this, cause you're gonna get confused. This is just for you to study and understand how to trade. That's it. Not for you to be thinking I could be placing trades because I have unlimited money. No, it gotta be calculated trades. I win, I thought I was gonna lose. Alright, I guess we could try to do one more. This I went up, came back down, cross it, say what I went down some more. Euro chef. It's a nice one, Euro CAD. Euro USD. JBY. JBP. JBP. Oh shit. This one looking. Oh, I can't trade out here. US card. I'll go to the US card right quick. Already finished up. JBP, USD, gotcha, nigga. Fuck around with you, boy. See, this is we came in a little late. You can see I already touched that. The oversold. Oversold don't mean nothing. Oversold. We entering oversold territory for real, man. We ain't not. Damn, this strategy beautiful, man, for binary options. And they teaching me how to really trade my strategy even more. Wow, I'm untouchable. I'm unstoppable. This shit right there is untouchable, man. Damn. Euro card. Giving out signals, man. Yo. I could be giving out signal. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. It's setting me up for greatness. No more of the bullshit. I would have been looking at the charts. I don't even have to be looking at the charts no more. Wow, I have signals now. The right time. I've been all in there wishing for this. When this sale gonna be coming? Now we're just telling me when the sale coming exactly. Giving me when the sale coming exactly. I would have been like, damn, when the sale coming? Shit. I would have thought it would have been right there. Sell. You can see it bunks back up. And it sell down here for real. It sell right here. I thought this would have been a sell. Ain't no sell. again, that's $1 loss, no one on $2. That's if I was using $1, and that's what I'm gonna have to do, because I'm using smart money. I ain't like these other niggas have $100 I'm gonna bet the whole 100. That called compound. I ain't into none of that. I'm into martingale. So there's strategies in the way you to trade. There's compounding, there's martingaling, there's the one that you to do 100, you lose at it, you go onto the you change the whole chart, do 100 again, you lose out, you jump to the next chart, do 100. That's 3 losses, and then you would have been done. Today we had 0 wins and 3 losses. You have that way of trading. A lot of different ways of trading like a motherfucker, bro. You gotta pick one that suits you. I'm into the martingale, you heard? Because I know everything ain't 100%, but I want everything to be 100%. You feel me? As in, you see me trade and I lost, but at the end I still win and recoup my money. You feel me? At the end I still gonna recoup my money, because like I said, I don't wanna lose. Nah. I will lose to win. Let me say that. And for this, all I doing is I go in there and probably it gotta be 1, 2. It gotta be like at least 2, 3. It can't be. I'm trying to catch it as soon as it hit. That's what I'm trying to do. As soon as it hit, I'm trying to catch it. Can't be no 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I'm really trying to catch it as soon as it hit. But if I see reds or greens, I'll go in, because it's a momentum thing. It hit that in now, it's trying to let you know that it's a seller's momentum. So the bearish ain't gonna get you out, because we on a momentum. You feel me? You see, it's a beautiful strategy, bro. Here we up. This part 2.